heat pump, sealed system, refrigeration system. The Aerotherm water heater it's a heat pump water heater. All right, so you're going to hear through some of the videos different language, terminology, and it depends on what you call it. But I think we're all talking the same thing. I have some components related to the refrigeration or the sealed system. Watching the following videos, chances are you've done refrigeration work. Our goal here is not to make you that refrigeration expert, but calling on your field experience and best practices. Do what you do. We're here to help and we're here to support. These are some of the parts that the following videos will cover. The sensors are on the table simply because our control closely monitors those sensors as it relates to refrigeration temperatures from the evaporator, your EEV, your electronic expansion valve, filter dryer. Okay, so following videos are going to be helpful, as is tech support. We're here 24/7.